Okay, so right in front of me I have 3 Hello products. I've never tried them before. We have the mouthwash, we have the floss, and yes, we have the toothpaste. So I'm going to be trying these out for the first time and see if they're actually good. Coming up. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as product reviews just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because that helps out your boy a lot. Now, I'm not sponsored by this video at all, so... Alright, so now that we got everything set, we're gonna actually try out the toothpaste first. Now they say that you could only use a small amount, but to the actual people that work at Hello, listen, your toothbrushes are small as hell, and I have a big ass mouth, so those toothbrushes ain't gonna work out. So instead I ended up buying Oral-B, but whatever, the toothbrushes are hella small. Is it coming out? It's not even coming out. Oh, because it's still sealed. Bruh. Oh shit, it's like black. This is my first time ever using something like this, so this whole experience is like brand new. Now we can actually start. So we're gonna take a little dab. Can you see it? That much. Oh wow. It tastes pretty good, very minty. But my mind is not really black at all. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to actually use the mouthwash first or actually the floss. So I'm gonna end up using the mouthwash and see how that works. Okay, I got it. Oh, but this one isn't sealed up though. I'm not gonna lie, my mouth feels very minty right now. I'm trying to open this and I can't even open this neither. Okay, I got it open. Bruh. Oh shit. Okay, so my flossing game is very weak for demonstration purposes.
So after a few months of trying them out, I can finally give you an update on these activated charcoal Hello products. And I must say, my teeth is already white to begin with. Well, kind of. My teeth has been a little bit more shinier than usual. But I did notice after using them, there's 2 different types of activated charcoal toothpaste that they have currently. One with fluoride and one without the fluoride. The first one I bought was without the fluoride, and it was alright. It wasn't that like mind-blowing. My teeth was clean. However, something with the fluoride one, when I use it, it gave me that nice burst of freshness, if that makes sense. If that's a perfect way to describe it. And as I'm baking in the sun, you gotta remember, these toothpastes, they're pretty messy. So you gotta be mindful of how forceful you spit into the sink. The mouthwash is something completely cool. That mouthwash, you actually get the burst of just freshness. For some reason, I feel like the mouthwash polishes more than the actual toothpaste. Maybe it's just me, but that's my opinion on it. Thing though, the floss, I don't know if that actually does anything because of the charcoal infused in it. It might remove like some of the plaque inside the teeth, but to be honest, I mean, me using the floss felt like I was using any other floss. On a completely different side note, I love these products so much, in fact, that I made 2 TikTok videos just to put people on game and be like, this is the type of product you need to use if you want to whiten up your teeth naturally. You don't have to worry about those chemicals that's gonna mess up your teeth in the future, or if it's been used on animals, or none of that BS. Like, this is the type of thing that you want to use. I'm not even sponsored by them, and I just want to like put people on game. Like, you think I'm playing? I've been using this for a while. You think it's a joke? Check this out.
I was like, damn, you hot as a flame. Your mom is the only one that you can blame. Got me going mad when you just say that. Girl, it's a trap when you...
You think I'm playing?